Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another embagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what's in this big bag. Oh my goodness. Well, we got several things, I think. All right, this bag comes from VIPCrossStitch, so this will be part 1 of my review for them. Part 2 will be next Sunday, and if they have any specials, I will put them along here and in the description box below, so do check that out. And if I have a discount code, I will put it in the same 2 places. So I'll be right back. All right, let's get started here. All right, first one I have is a Joy Sunday. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Very nice. Instructions on how to start, how to finish. Pretty standard. All right, let me get the bag over there. And here we go. I don't know what YUME in full bloom is, but it says on the thing, Poppies in full bloom. But isn't that pretty? I just love the kind of pastel colors and then the darker colors of the red ones. Now this one is, or Blooming Poppies is what it said, was $5.21. 14 count, 32 by 32. It's going to have some back stitching. We'll have to check out all that. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what if we got going on? All right, so there are 2 sets of numbers here. The top set goes to the pattern, or the paper pattern, and the bottom set goes to the canvas. And we have 24 total colors. 23 of them are in full stitch, 6 are in half cross stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 of them are in back stitch. So this is going to be quite colorful. We have 310 black, we have 817, which is a red. I don't see any other reds. We have B5200 for the white, and none of the others I'm real familiar with. Hang on. Oh dear. Hang on. I gotta find a home for my water bottle. Very nicely done. Look at all that shading in those flowers. Oh, I loved it. Loved it. Loved it. It is 138 by 139. So it's really close to being square. And your half cross stitch, some are back here in the, or like underneath that vase thing. And I'm looking to see any others. I guess they're just kind of sprinkled here, there, and everywhere. It's kind of in the background of these, what do you call it, branches that stick up. But yeah, there's going to be a little bit of back stitching, but we'll get through it. Let's take a look at the threads. Get a hold of everybody and get everybody going in the right general direction. Aren't those beautiful pastel colors? And see, then you're going to have a little bit darker for those other poppies. There's a darker red. There's that 817 I was telling you about. And you have kind of an orangish color. But the rest of them are fairly light. Very nice. And it's on one of those lovely thread cards. You get 2 needles. So this is how many strands you get. And then you have the DMC number. And then you have the thread card number. So very nicely done. Just beautiful, bright, vivid, springy, summery colors-ish. Let's take, I've got to move this out of my way for a second. Very nice. And it is a partial. So that means you just do where the print is and you don't have to worry about the background. But it's very nicely done. It has the product numbers here and the name of it here. But very nice, clear key and very clear printing. It looks a little bit confetti, but yet on the other hand, it's like in swirls of color. You can tell that really so much in this one. But very nicely done. Your half cross stitch, so there's no French knots in this. Yay! And the back stitching will be enough. So very nicely done. There's how big it is. Let's see if we can measure this. Oh my goodness. Hold please. All right, I am back. I about went into full panic mode. I couldn't find my tape measure. So 32.5 centimeters by 12.75 inches. And this way is almost 13 inches or almost 33 centimeters. The actual picture size is about 10 inches or 25.5 by 25 or 9 3/4, almost 10 inches. So it's close to being square. But very well done, very well printed. I think the back stitching is actually going to make all this. So, yeah, it'll be just lovely. Sorry, I had to move everything. I was looking for my thing. I was looking to see how much back stitching was on the bottom, but evidently not a whole bunch. Well, you do have a few lines for those flowers here, there, and everywhere. So, very nicely done for, what was it, $5.21? Yep, very good. Very, very nice. All right. Let's get to the next one. Whoop, extra bag. That was my extra bag. All right, hang on. All right, I am back. Is that not beautiful? Look at those blossoms. This is, let me see, where is it? It's a 40 by 40 and $9.17, so that's not too bad. But they are magnolias. You can see by how big the blossoms are on the trees. Very nice. So I'm glad it's only a 40 by 40. I'm trying to collect some for summer, you know, so I don't have to keep dragging these big things, you know, outside. Oh, not very big at all. Has 32 colors. Very nicely printed. I see no smudging, no smears. It does have instructions here on how to start, how to finish. At the bottom, it says 39 by 39 centimeters. It's 147 by 147. The colors are, let's see, we have 154 mulberry, 310 black, 550 purple, yay! No, sorry. 823 and 939. No, 3371, which would be a dark brown. And they're using 3865 for the white. But very nice. And it's going to have some confetti. Not going to lie, where all those trees are. But I think it'll be well worth it. And it's not that big of a space. So very nice. Very nice. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, we have a toolkit. It says number 10. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. No animals today. Take a look at all these gorgeous colors. Give me a sec. Okay, before we go on with the colors, I want to match this. On the paper pattern, it's 6784. On the canvas, 6784. And on the, this is what the threads came in, 6784. So that all matches, and I would suggest if you get this kit or any kits with these little tabs, please go through and check it off on your paper pattern. as to that you got that one, and that way you can find out whether or not anything's missing. So yeah, it's just a suggestion, but I'm doing it more and more and more and more. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous colors. Look at those purples and pinks. Look at that bright pink. Whoa, I lost it completely. Maybe it's on this side. Nope, it's right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous pinks, peaches, and of course they're on thread drops. Yay, my favorite. Not. But lots and lots of beautiful pinks and purples. Kind of a peachy tan. Maybe a rose color. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. I don't know what color that is. Excuse me, 152. We even have some grays. There's your 310 black. And part of that might be, oh no, it's right here. If I can get a hold of it. I was going to say part of that might be 939, but you can definitely see that it looks brighter there. The navy-ish, that's 939, and this is 310 black. So very beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm going to put that rubber band back on there just because. So there's not too many of them because it is oops, we're losing a buddy. Get in there, dude. Not right now. You get lost, you're gone and lost forever. So I'll put that right up there so I don't crinkle again. Let's take a look at the canvas. It is kind of a roughy canvas, kind of like the older ones. I do like these best. Very nicely printed. But it's going to have some confetti. Do you see where that red is? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It is serged all the way around, and the serging just barely grazes the edge of the number, so paper pattern will match the canvas. On this one, not like the Joy Sunday one before, but it did have all the symbols, so it's kind of easy to compare. Like, let's say you were looking for a red or whatever, and you look on the paper pattern, you found out where it was. Well, that you find out that symbol is B. So you go over to B on the Joy Sundays symbols, find out what number it is, and then look it up at the bottom. So, very nice. Very nice. Let's measure this one while we have this inside. Yeah. I have no idea why I set that behind me. Not a clue at all. Okay, it's 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters. I like this 40 by 40. And it's like 15.25 inches this way or 38.5 centimeters. Actual size is almost 13.25 inches or 33 centimeters. And this one is 33.5 almost, or 13.25 inches. So it's pretty close to square. And it doesn't have real big areas. You know, the background, perhaps a little bit. This background right up in here is all white. It's the 3865. And then you have the trees that are going to stick up there. Same going along the bottom here. And then number 4 is 310 black. So you're going to have black, but the main crux of the whole thing is like right here in that middle where all those flowers and everything is. So those are your biggest areas, so it's not that bad. I mean, it could be worse. So very nice indeed. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for these lovely kits. And VIPCrossStitch, if you have any specials or if I have a discount code, it'll be in the beginning of the video and in the description below. They have, they're having a sale right now. I think it's buy 3, get 1 free. There will be a picture of that special in the front of the video. and they only have stitching things like beaded embroidery, cross stitch, no diamond painting, no paint by number. They also do custom for cross stitch, and they have lots of tools and crafts. They've always got something for everybody, and a very big, huge selection. I could just spend all day on VIP. I just absolutely love the store. Now, I ordered this the 27th, nope, the 24th, and today is, what, the 14th? So it was about 10 days that it took to get to me in the States. I have no idea what it'd do for you. So do check them out. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.